Hey everybody, Invisible and Nunra here, and today we have Explosion Character Elimination. Now these are for characters who use explosions to their advantage. The characters you can vote for are Datara from Naruto, Katsuki Bakugo from My Hero Academia, Klee from Genshin Impact, Cyrax from Mortal Kombat, Witty from Friday Night Funkin', Junkrat from Overwatch, Rexplosion from Invincible, Voltorb from Pokemon, Demoman from Team Fortress 2, Green Goblin from Marvel, Bomb from Angry Birds, Cherry Bomb from Hazbin Hotel, Roy Lincoln from DC, Bomberman from the Bomberman series, and Wile E. Coyote from Looney Tunes. Now vote for who you want to be eliminated and who you want to win.